Installation video of 42-inch outdoor ceiling fan with light. Check with the list of accessories in the manual to make sure they are complete. Let's start. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker. According to your ceiling type, choose the appropriate screws to fix the circular hanging plate to ceiling. Choose the appropriate downrod length, 5-inch or 10-inch, based on your ceiling height. Insert the pin and pin holder into the downrod. Tighten the downrod with 2 screws. String the coupling cover onto the downrod. Insert the downrod into the coupling. Insert the pin and pin holder back. Tighten the screws and then slide down the coupling cover. Remove the 6 screws from the outer ring of the motor. Use 2 screws to secure the bracket in each blade tightly together. Repeat the above steps for the remaining 2 blades. Remove the 3 screws from the inner ring of the motor. Firmly connect the connectors, then secure the LED board to the motor using the 3 screws removed earlier. Twist the light cover to tighten it securely. Hang the fan on the circular hanging plate. Route the power cord along the downrod and secure it with the cable clips. Stick the wire clips in place based on your room wiring. Just fix the power cord according to your need. Light on. Adjust 3 colored temperature: white, yellow, and nature light. Dim it darker. Dim it brighter. Wind speed level 1. Reverse. The fan will take some time to slowly stop before starting to reverse.